Thanksgiving, everybody!
Yay!
Today's Thanksgiving. We're not home in Long Beach because we both worked yesterday. I work tomorrow on Friday, and so we still decided that we wanted to have a full Thanksgiving meal. So we're gonna make the entire meal right now. So
Start with the potatoes.
starting with the potatoes, I'm gonna make the stuffing. My grandma likes this kind, so if my grandma likes it, we're gonna like it. We're doing mashed potatoes. We're doing a small variation of like the sweet potato casserole with the marshmallows on top because we already made it for Friendsgiving. So we're just gonna do one sweet potato mashed up with a little bit of marshmallows on top, nothing too crazy. We're not making gravy from scratch. We have this gravy here. We're making chicken instead of turkey because a whole turkey would have been way too much for 2 people, so we just got 2 chicken breasts and we're gonna make that. It's in the fridge right now. The cranberry sauce, which like I don't even really, it's not like a fan favorite, but
It's good for leftovers.
yeah, I feel like a leftover sandwich, but I'm picturing a sandwich with turkey in it. And we don't have turkey.
But isn't the sandwich you get from Tangerine, is that turkey?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's basically like Thanksgiving Day in a sandwich.
Here's a sweet potato if you've never seen one before.
Wait, why does this look like this? It should look like this. How is this? Oh, it's just totally not in the middle.
Yeah, I cut it very poorly.
I don't even know how to, okay.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. I definitely need to wash these. Look at all the dirt. Yeah, someone said they didn't like celery the other day. Do you remember that? At the Friendsgiving, they said that it was the least, like the worst.
It used to be my least favorite food. I think Casey still doesn't like celery.
I like celery. Oh my gosh, it's gonna smell amazing. Cheers, Cody. Did you actually have wine?
Yeah, this is from last night, remember?
Oh
I put it in the
yeah!
fridge. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah. So, right now, we have garlic and shallots. I'm gonna put this in the mashed potatoes, which I've never done, but I just feel like it would be pretty good. This is for the mashed potatoes and the green beans. And then we're starting the sweet potato. We're just doing one, just a tiny little side of mashed potato. I mean, sweet potatoes.
Oh yeah, show them the bowl we're gonna put it in. I actually think that's cool.
Where is it? Oh yeah, we're just gonna put it in there and roast some marshmallows on it. We're doing the stuffing.
Bake it for like 5 minutes or so?
Yeah, which maybe we could just use a tiny little toaster for that.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're working on the mashed potatoes, which we're making a lot of. The stuffing and the mashed potatoes, we're gonna have like plenty, which I'm excited for. And then we have the sausage that I'm gonna add to the stuffing. And then the chicken, which we'll start making in a bit. I just wanna show you what's going on over here. Some smooth jazz.
Then you got Stella.
Stella loves her little cubby. Hi, Vivi. So close. Oh wait, Cody, hold on. I have to go down there too.
You were so much worse at it than me.
Really?
Yeah, okay, now I'm gonna go upstairs.
I'm gonna go up. I'm bad at it.
Oh, it's on my head.
What? That was not good.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm actually out of breath from going up and down stairs so much. So we got a pumpkin pie from
King
Supers.
Supers. It doesn't really look that good.
No.
But I feel like it was a good size for 2 people, but I missed the Costco one. The Costco one's so good.
And then a pecan pie, which I've never had before, but I got it for free. Our apartment was handing them out.
Yeah, we got it from our apartment complex, and I looked at the side. This baby was 16 bucks from Whole Foods. So
it better be good.
They didn't cheap out.
No, and then
we did.
We cheaped out, yeah.
Yeah.
Hawaiian bread, which honestly will be really good for leftover like mini sandwiches too.
Mhm.
Want a spoon?
Yeah.
I get to try it?
Okay.
No.
Yeah, actually, maybe we shouldn't. Because I'm gonna dip it in there too. Here. Definitely. More salt. More salt too, huh? We'll put a little bit of this in it.
It's really good.
It'll shake.
Like,
yeah, the
really
flavor's good. I taste the garlic. Yum. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of this. This is gonna give it some creaminess.
Nice. I definitely taste the sour cream.
I taste the garlic. A lot.
Oh my god. I'm so ready to eat like all the food.
I'm so excited.
Look at that.
Okay, let's do a taste test.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, that's good. Okay, guys. It's coming together. Okay, so we have our mashed potatoes over here. Oh my gosh, it's actually all coming together right now. We should take that off.
Yeah, and I think it has a plastic wrap in it still.
Oh. Oh my gosh, those need to come off. Ah! Getting down to the wire here.
I turn off the burner.
Okay. Okay.
Emily carving the turkey.
Carving the turkey. Oops. Ooh.
Also, if you didn't know at this point, it's actually chicken. Holy. Is this filming? Look at this.
Oh, we need serving stuff for these things. Okay, let's see. So we need... Okay, guys. So, well, let's check in on the time. It's 4:42. We started this at 3:10.
3:10, yeah.
So it took like an hour and a half. Honestly, not that long. We have slightly burnt green beans with some garlic and toasted almonds. We have our gravy here, the cranberry sauce, some stuffing, some ambiance from Cody. Perfect. We have a little bit of the sweet potato casserole, our turkey, aka chicken, the pies for later, some rolls here, and some mashed potatoes. I think that's everything.
Not the ice cream, but that
Not yet.
we'll get out
Yeah.
when
We're about to feast. Yay! Feels like we're at home, but not home. I want a roll. I always overserve myself.
Yeah. This smells amazing.
I'm so excited.
Once again, I wish we could like send smells to
The camera.
the camera. You fool.
This is my plate. Y'all. Okay. Spoon, knife, spoon, fork, knife. All right, before we eat, we have to say what we're thankful for.
I'm thankful for you.
I'm thankful for you and Stella.
And Stella.
And I feel like this year I am specifically thankful for now being in Colorado because Florida was not the place for me. I'm thankful for the jobs that I have and the opportunities ahead of me and everyone that I've met here. And I'm thankful for having just so many open doors and not necessarily, this is scaring me, and not necessarily like in terms of like having shortcuts or anything, but just knowing that really, you can do anything you put your mind to. And so I'm thankful for realizing that, like, being lost is okay, and I will find my way eventually. I don't know if that was if that made sense to anyone, but that's what I'm thankful for this year. And my family, who I miss you guys, and I love you guys, and I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving. And all my friends, I love you guys too, and I hope you're having a great Thanksgiving, and I miss you all. So, yeah, there's a lot to be thankful for. Your turn.
Thankful for you and Stella. Thankful for the place that we get to live in. I think we picked a really good area, and I was pretty lucky. Thankful I got to see my parents in Germany. That was cool. You should watch that video. Just thankful that I'm happy.
Yeah.
That I like life right now. I don't know what much more you can ask for.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I have so much fun. I might put some back. That's crazy. Happy Thanksgiving. Love you too.
Thanksgiving. Yum. Okay. Down to the last bites here. Cody just finished his plate.
Oh my god. I think I got more than you.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't take any of the sweet potato stuff.
Just saying. Weak. Yeah. Yeah.
Nuh-uh. Thoughts? Rankings? What do you think?
Okay, going from least favorite to most favorite.
Okay.
Chicken. Okay, so Hawaiian rolls, chicken, green beans, sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes, stuffing.
Okay. Yeah, I'm with you. Stuffing is the best. Cody. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I ate in my apron that whole time.
Apron.
Apron. Ate in my apron. Cody now wants to play Boomerang Foo. You guessed it. Also, meanwhile, why does this happen on every holiday? Halloween, guess what? It snowed. Well, it's Thanksgiving. It's snowing, and you can't see it. You really can't see it, but it's snowing out here. Well, it's cold. Well, I'll update you guys because it'll probably start piling up soon, and then you'll be able to see it. But every holiday, just expect it's gonna snow. Hello. We played some. My brother texted me. We played some Boomerang Foo. Have not eaten either of the desserts yet, but I'm too full. I'm full. I don't think I want dessert tonight.
Is it pie time?
Are you eating pie right now?
I might have 2 slices and a scoop of ice cream.
2 slices?
One of each. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
It's Thanksgiving. Toughen up, baby. Jeez.
Oh my goodness.
Come on.
Maybe I'll have some ice cream. And can I have like a bite of your pie? I just don't think I can commit to a full slice of pie.
You're right. Can we try the pecan or do you want the pumpkin?
I want to try, honestly the pecan one kind of looks really good and I am surprised I'm saying that. I'll cut the pie. Why do I feel like it's going to taste like a Snickers bar? Can I have that one? I think it's smaller. What? No. No, I swear. Cody, that's not why I said that. It wasn't even on camera.
Oh my god.
The one that I just asked if I could, the one that I just served, I accidentally flipped over in the thing and then I put it in the bowl.
She dropped it.
And then I asked if I could have the other one. But I already wanted the other one because it was smaller. That's not why I asked that.
The timing was so good. The second you dropped, can I have that one? Dude.
What? Yeah? Wait, you already tried it?
It's good.
Wait. Wait, that didn't ding. Ding!
Oh my god, with the coffee ice cream?
I don't know why I was hating. This is so good.
Yeah.
That's my new favorite.
It's good.
Whoa. Whoa. Well, for us not going home, I would say this was a pretty nice Thanksgiving.
Yeah. I don't regret anything.
Okay, I'll see you when the snow is crazy. Good morning, it's snowing. It's really pretty, but I don't want to go to work.